Right now, former President Trump's hush money trial picks back up in Manhattan today. A banker who helped former Trump fixer Michael Cohen open accounts is going to be testifying. Eyewitness News reporter Phil Taitt is live in Lower Manhattan with what to expect today in court. Phil?
Yeah, and that testimony will resume with Gary Farro, and the former president will be inside of the courtroom for this testimony. Now, he is the banker that helped Michael Cohen open up several accounts, one of which the former fixer to the president had used to buy the silence of Stormy Daniels. Now, Farro will be the third witness on the stand, and prosecutors really just want to hear more from these witnesses and to share intimate details that they had with the former president. Well, we previously heard from longtime assistant Rona Graff and former National Enquirer publisher David Pecker as he laid out how he agreed to serve as Trump's campaign eyes and ears during his first run for the White House by squashing stories that might be damaging to the former president. During week one, prosecutors portrayed what they say is an illegal scheme, and now filling in the details of how Trump and his allies pulled it off. Meantime, a decision has not been issued from Judge Juan Merchan as prosecutors want Trump to be fined. They say he allegedly violated the limited gag order at least 14 times through a series of social media posts and in various comments made in recent days, including a Midtown rally where he spoke about David Pecker. Well, a hearing regarding that gag order is expected to take place on Thursday. Now, ahead of today's court proceeding, we're expecting a protest to erupt just outside of the courthouse, and we'll be standing by for that and bringing you their message later this morning. We're in